The Meta Workplace comes to us with only one administrator account. This administrator is responsible for configuring the whole platform with what are the relevant information to be provided to the people and add people to this platform. I have created this for a demo purpose. We have a few groups and people already added in it. Let me show you how to add more people in it. For that, in the admin panel, go to the people option. You will see a small dashboard here. In the below area, you can see the people who are already added to this Meta Workplace platform. You can see a little information about them, their name, the location or department they belongs to, the date which they have created, and their account status. There are two account status, one is claimed and another one is invited. Claimed means the people who accepted the admin's invitation and they started using the platform. Invited means people got invitation but they didn't accept the invitation. And the right side you can see a few admin controls like edit person details, deactivate account, something like that. In case of the invited people, you can send them a reminder. If you click on that, you will see the old message which you have sent. If you wanted to have a new message here, you can type another message and click continue to send this reminder to the particular person. Now we are going to see how to add new people to this platform. Go to the top right, click on the add people option. There you can see 4 different options: add one person or add multiple people, import Excel or CSV, or connect with an identity provider. I'll start with the one person. You will see another pop-up window. Here you will have 2 options, either email address or access code can be used to invite a person. If you use access code, you don't have to enter the email ID, but you need to have some information mandatory, and this invitation will go through the mobile number of that particular user. Let me try to choose access code. I'll click on that. In this page also you can switch whether it's an access code or an email address. Let's continue with the access code. There are some mandatory information you have to enter, including the employee ID and mobile number. The mandatory information will be shown in a label, and this date is when you have to send the invitation. You can schedule it for now or for a later time. Choose the language. All the language options are available here. And click on the add person option. The next option I am trying to use, how to add people using email address. I choose the option as email address and I enter the information. For the time being, I am entering my personal email ID. And it is mandatory to choose the mobile number of the person. Same like the previous method, you can schedule when to send the invitation and click on send invitation by email. Here you can see the previously saved message which you used to send to any of the previous invited members, or you can create a new message. Click to continue. If you wanted to see how the message is going to receive, you can click on the send me a test email button. Otherwise, click on to send invitation. This will send an email to the recipient which you have chosen here with the link to join the Meta Workplace. So far we have seen how to add one person. Now let's explore the options to add multiple people. Click on add people and choose add multiple people. There are 2 options for you to proceed further. The first one is a link. As you can see, a pre-generated link will be there. You may click on the copy option and share this link with the board members using social media or another email or any of the platforms. The same link can be shared with up to 300 people. In the same window below to that, you can enter multiple email address one by one. I'm entering some sample email addresses. Once you complete entering the email IDs of the board members, click on Send Invitations by Email. Here you can choose a previously saved message or a new message to invite the board members. Once your message and emails are ready to send, you can send a test message to yourself and see how the message delivers to the board members. If everything is perfect, then click on Send Invitations. This will send invitations to all the people you have added them with the email ID. The third option is having a bulk import using an Excel or CSV file. Here you will get the instructions of how to use this method. I'm clicking on Download the template. The template will be downloaded to my system. When I open, I can see the information which I have to enter in it. I can enter any number of details, any number of rows with relevant information and save it in my system. The third step is to upload this file to Workplace. For that, I click on the Import File option, upload my file and choose the language. Once you upload your Excel file, the Meta system will check for any errors and duplication of data, and they will give you proper error messages. You can correct those particular error messages and send the invitations. This will send the links to the board members as per the Excel file. The last option is to connect with an identity provider. IICO is having Azure Active Directory. Since our board members are internal and external to the organization, we don't have to use it now. If you wanted to use that, you can always contact IT to configure it for you. Here also you have quick options to add more people. In this people list, you can see a few people with badges. That means that these people are the administrators of this platform right now. So you can have more than one administrator and you can identify them easily in this interface.